BaseVac Dental, your Canadian experts in mechanical room equipment. Though BaseVac is known for having the strongest vacuum in the dental industry, we are gaining popularity for our other mechanical room products. Among our line of products, we have an Italian motor, American-made compressors. Our single head systems have enclosed options, bringing the service volume to a whisper 55 decibels. Our dual head compressors have our perma-dry technology, excelling in humid climates due to our massive desiccant filters on each compressor head. Our easy-to-install water solenoids is a technician's dream with our plug-and-play electrical transformer, union couplers, and full port valves. All of our BaseVac parts and accessories are high-quality, economical solutions for dental professionals. A great partner to our BaseVac suction units is our powerful NeutraClean line cleaner and atomizer combo. The last vacuum system your client will ever have to buy. We have a wide variety of powerful vacuum pumps to serve from 1 to 400 plus chairs. Our ability to reach 25 inches of mercury gives us the flexibility to customize our systems to meet your customers' needs. Due to our strength, BaseVac is the only dry vacuum that can use vacuum lines as small as a ½ inch. This unique ability makes BaseVac the economical solution for retrofitting existing dental practices. Our ability to use existing infrastructure makes the upgrade from a wet ring vacuum pump to a dry vacuum pump that much more achievable. BaseVac systems are upgradable, designed to grow with a clinic's increasing demand on vacuum, saving clients from massive investments in new equipment in the future. BaseVac's ability to achieve 25 inches of mercury makes our systems the first choice in surgical vacuums. We have surgical units that range from as small as a 1 to 5 surgical outlet system to a 10 to 16 surgical outlets. All of BaseVac's surgical systems are NFPA 99 compliant, come with a dual motor redundancy, and a smart PLC system. Our design makes our surgical units the smartest and most powerful surgical units in the dental market.